In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive for beginners. Pipedrive is a powerful sales CRM and pipeline management software that's ideal for managing your leads and deals effectively. Whether you're new to sales or just looking to streamline your processes, Pipedrive can help you stay organized and on top of your sales game. To get started, head over to the Pipedrive website. This is your go-to place for all things related to their sales CRM. The website offers an array of resources and insights that can be incredibly useful, especially when you're first getting acquainted with the software. Once you're on the Pipedrive homepage, your next step is to log in. You'll see the login button prominently displayed on the page. If you already have an account, simply enter your login details to access your dashboard. If you're new to Pipedrive, you might want to explore their options for creating an account, which can usually be found in the same area. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Pipedrive home. This is where you start your journey of managing customer relationships effectively. The home page is designed to give you a quick overview of your activities and is a great place to begin navigating through the features available. Next, click on your profile icon or your name, usually located on the top right corner of the page. This step is crucial as it takes you to your personal settings. Here, you can adjust your account preferences, make important updates, and ensure that everything is set just the way you like it. With your profile all set, it's time to actually set up your account within Pipedrive. This involves configuring the essential elements such as connecting your email and ensuring all your communication tools are synced. This will allow you to send and track emails directly from Pipedrive, keeping all your activities in one place. It's these integrations that make Pipedrive not just a CRM, but a comprehensive sales solution. Once everything is synced up, it's time to build your first pipeline. Think of a pipeline as a visual journey of your sales process. It helps you track where each prospect is within the sales cycle, making sure no opportunities slip through the cracks. This step is all about customization, so take the time to tailor it according to your unique sales strategy. Finally, with your pipeline set up, start adding deals. Deals represent the opportunities or potential sales you're working on. You can categorize them based on their stage in the pipeline. Adding details like expected close date and deal value helps you forecast future sales and allocate your resources effectively. And there you have it, a simple guide to getting started with Pipedrive. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of sales management and boosting your productivity. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your sales journey.